The first step, it says to open this assignment, click on the Open with Kami button below. This will create your own copy of the assignment and allow you to add it. So when I scroll down, I don't see the Open with Kami button. And that is because I am not signed into Google Chrome with my Colonial Google account. So if I go up to the right-hand corner and switch from where it says guest, or maybe it says your personal account, and I use my Colonial account, I'm now signed into Google. And when I click on that Act 1 reading guide, I have the Open with Kami button down here. So that's your first step. If you're having trouble with Kami, make sure that you are signed into your Colonial Google account. If you don't have Google Chrome, like if you're using your phone or just a device that you don't have Google Chrome on and you don't know how to download it, please let me know so that I can get you a copy of this assignment that you are able to access. If you do have Google Chrome and you've signed in and you see that Open with Kami button, you're just going to click on Open with Kami. And that will open a new tab and create your own copy of this assignment for you. As you're reading, you can use the tools on the left-hand side. And then when you're ready, you're going to click on Turn In. So I'm just going to give it a second and let this load. It will pop up with a little, like a submit button basically. So it already has Act 1 annotated, and I'm just going to click on submit, and that's all I need to do to turn this in. So I don't need to click on submit assignment over here. All I have to do is click on that turn in button at the top of Kami, and it will automatically load my assignment into the submit spot, and I just have to press submit.